Meaning of hornpipe.
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 Hornpipe. The word hornpipe has two meanings. The first is a musical instrument, a type of woodwind instrument that was popular in the 18th century. The second meaning refers to a dance form that originated in England in the 16th century. The hornpipe dance is a lively and rhythmical dance typically performed by sailors. It involves intricate footwork and movements such as hops, jumps and skips. A typical hornpipe tune has a distinctive triple meter and is played with a fast tempo. Today, hornpipes are still played and danced to, particularly in traditional folk music.